Hello, my name is David Senator, a member of the SOLIDWORKS product definition team at Dassault Systèmes, and I'm here to show you a new enhancement coming to SOLIDWORKS 2024, using a pre-selected sketch for the whole wizard feature. This enhancement was first proposed in the Top 10 List 2023 3D Experience World, then posted as an idea in the SOLIDWORKS Enhancement Ideas community. So if we wanted to use the whole wizard feature on this guitar part, we can first pre-select the 2D sketch, and when creating the whole wizard feature, the hole positions are automatically defined by the sketch. Another option is when choosing the hole position, select an existing 2D sketch, and we can just select this rectangular sketch, and the holes are placed accordingly. Thank you.